The next resource that I found while working on this project is called Dotstorming, and it is a website that really helps with collaboration and being able to do quick tests of knowledge with people in your classroom or your coworkers. It just keeps everybody communicating. The intended audience, again, is my students and my coworkers' peers. The purpose is to get communication and to check for understanding. The ITSE standards that were covered with this one is 3.3E, Develop Learning Assessments, and 3.3C, Innovation and Collaboration. So with this website, what I'm most excited to use it for is the voting board. Voting board title, it could be something like, just to keep it simple, favorite color. Then you can select what type of votes. The dot voting is what my kids have latched onto this last week. Number of votes per person. Go from 1 up to however many you want. Share with a link. I have shared it within my Google Classroom and pushed it out to students. You can do a password protected if you want to have that extra security. The card options at the top, you can have text, image, if you want to have kids be able to upload videos or PDFs. The creator names, what I have selected and what's worked best in my classroom this last week when I've been testing these out is using the names are only visible to me, and then that they're randomly available. And I also like to say that cards are required, approvable. So we'll create it. There's also additional ones with color and stuff. We're not going to save a password. And then you can add a card. Say that with this favorite color, I want to know, is it red, green? And you can change, you can do a GIF, you can do emojis, you have a whole bunch of different options. You can change the highlight, you can change the text color, so red or green. And then each participant, after they've been shared with the link, there's another way to grab the link. They rank by voting, so you can put 1 vote here and 2 votes here, and then everybody in this will have the ability to vote. You can also comment, and you can say, why is your favorite color red? And then you can have your students type in why. I feel like this will help my students see what's going all around, and then there's the name. What's going on in their classmates' heads, and then when I use this with my coworkers, we'll be able to easily share ideas within. The other option is to do a simple card, and I'll just show you their example quickly. And it can be a flowchart. It can have a whole bunch of different, you can put images. There's somebody's kid. Circles, triangles, charts, and then you can move all the cards around. This should be fun to use. I can't wait to see how my kids latch onto it in the future.